Hi, my name is Isabel.
Hi, I'm Joost.
And we are part of the first Erasmus Recruitment Board. You may know us as the Erasmus Recruitment Days Committee. This year, however, we started with a new concept of Erasmus recruitment. We would like to give you a short introduction. Now, Erasmus Recruitment consists of two pillars: the online recruitment platform of ER and the Erasmus Recruitment Days.
On our year-round platform, you can create your personal profile along with uploading your anonymous resume. With this profile, you get the chance to connect and chat directly with recruiters from companies from various interesting industries. Think of industries such as consulting, IT, logistics, financial services, and accountancy. Companies will upload their latest vacancies, internships, and recruitment events. As a student, you can apply for this through our ER website. Not only you can approach the companies on the platform, but they can also contact you via chat.
For more orientating students, we also offer useful information. You can find tips on how to prepare for a job interview, how to improve your resume, and how to dress properly for various occasions. This is the perfect guide for you to develop yourself on a formal basis. Our platform will launch on the 4th of November. For a sneak peek, you can visit our website on erasmusrecruitment.nl.
Our second core pillar is the well-known on-campus recruitment event, the Erasmus Recruitment Days. During this annual event, we organize several activities. This includes formal activities such as interviews, workshops, and our new activity, Power Networking. There are also more informal activities such as network drinks, brunch dinners, and informal recruitment. We also organize training activities such as a job interview training and a time management training. By subscribing for the days, you will also receive a bag with several goodies. This year, the event will take place from the 26th of January until the 12th of February 2021.
You can sign up for the ER platform from the 4th of November onwards. For the days, you can subscribe from the 9th of December.
Want to stay updated? Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn.
Thank you for your attention, and we hope to welcome you at our event.